When you picture a criminal, who comes to mind? Is it a wild-eyed man covered in tattoos? Someone with a history of mental illness and a record of illicit behavior? Yes, there may be men who fit that description, but Eugene Moniz is not one of them.
I was arrested because I got really drunk at Squaw Valley. I blacked out and I stumbled into the wrong person's house.
For walking into an unlocked home, Gene was charged with residential burglary, a felony charge in California. He was then sentenced to 5 years on probation.
I was married and a Reno resident at the time, and I had a son, and California probation told me I could not live with my wife and son, and I had to live in California, Truckee, where I couldn't afford to live and take care of my wife and son at the same time. My term on probation, the probation acted as a home wrecker and made me get in a divorce with my wife because I couldn't be there for her or my son. I still try to be an everyday part of his life, but it's hard when I can't come and be in Reno. I have to get permission to come here and only can come and see him, and then I have to go back to California according to my probation officer. And how are you supposed to tell your son that if I stay with him I would go to jail? When I get off probation, I look forward to being able to be with my son and have him at my house and stay with me half the time. I have joint custody, I just don't have joint physical custody because I'm forced to live in California. I think probation is retarded. People that go to jail and come out on parole have an easier time than I do on probation, which is crap.